All right, guys, so we talk about downshifting the motorcycle. It's the exact same process as upshifting, except instead of kicking your shifter up, you're not gonna kick it down. So I'm riding like this. I'm in 6th gear. I want to downshift the 5th. I got my pin, I got my throttle. I'm on the throttle. You're gonna roll off, clutch in, kick my shifter down. Boom, that'll drop you down to 5th. Same concept. And then you slowly let out the clutch and you get back on the throttle. If you want to go down to 4th gear, you're on the throttle, let off, clutch in, kick down, clutch out, back on the throttle. Now you should be in, what's that, 4th gear, right? And actually, if you want to, you can go down 2 gears. Let's say I'm in 4th gear, I want to go down. So I'm on the throttle, I'm going to roll off, clutch in. I want to go to 2nd. I can kick down 1, 2 gears, just like that, back to back, boom, boom. Let out the clutch, back on the throttle. Dropping down from 4th to 2nd is going to make the bike behave differently, because if it depends on your speed, it's going to depend on where your RPMs are. If you're going like 60 or 70, 60, and you drop down to 2nd gear, your RPMs are going to shoot up. If you're in 4th gear and you're going 20, you drop from 4th to 2nd, it's not going to be that big impact. You probably was in 2-hour gear anyway. The bike, you're probably going to feel like it's bogging down. So anyway, I just showed y'all roll off, clutch in, kick down, clutch out, back on. Let's go show y'all how to do it. So I'm going to do it here. What we want to do, you're going to let off, clutch in, kick down, you hear downshift. You want to go down another gear, cut off, let it out. Now you can go down 2 gears at a time if you want to. So watch, I'm in 4th, I'm gonna kick it down twice, should take me a second. Let off, 1, 2, you hear boom. So, but if you listen carefully, watch this. I'm gonna show y'all. If you hear the watch, here we go, let off, clutch in, kick down, you hear that? So you basically, what that is you're not rev matching. I mean, you're not, the engine speed is not matched to the RPMs of the bike. So watch, not do it without the quick shift. The computer's smarter than me. Watch this. Hear how much smoother that sounds? It's just vroom, 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 down, 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 you know? It's the exact same. It's upshifting, excuse me. Like I said, I don't think it is different. You're kicking that shifter down instead of up. And yeah, that's it. Now you can downshift whenever you want or whenever you need to. Definitely coming to a stop, you want to make sure you're in 1st gear. You don't want to be sitting in 2nd, because you sit in 2nd, when you try to go, you're going to stall. Let out the throttle, clutch in, kick it down. You're going to go down a gear. You can go down 2 gears. You can go right down to 1st. But just know, if you're not rev matching the engine, it's going to hit that. It's going to like feel like the bike is going to lurch forward. You're probably going to like lurch forward, to be honest with you. Some people call that engine braking. You can call it what you want. I mean, I hear that's bad for the engine if you're not properly rev matching, but you know, some people do use engine braking, which is what that is. You basically using the engine to slow the bike down itself instead of the brakes here. Yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into that, 'cause I'm not really too much of an expert on it, but yes, engine braking is a thing. Let me try to do it here. So I'm going up. So we're gonna get up here to this stop. So I'm in 4th gear right now, which is not too high for the street. It's probably 4th or 3rd is where you probably want to be at when you're riding down the street. So I'm still in 4th gear. I'm coming to us. I see the stop up here. Let's say I want to get ready to prepare to stop. Roll off, clutch in, kick down, let the clutch out. But you hear the difference. But watch now, let the bike do it itself with the quick shift. It's going to be a lot more smoother. It's way smoother. And that's the advantages of having a quick shifter, man. It's just if rev matches, basically, sorry, I ain't want to go to 1st. It basically rev matches for you. Auto blip up, auto blip down, takes out all that rev matching. I might do a video on rev matching, I'll be honest with y'all. I'm not too good at it. All right, guys, so no, I'm actually not gonna show the rev matching today. I'll make that a separate video. Let me know if you want to see it, and I'll do it or try to do it. It's not too hard. It's a little tricky concept, but it's not too bad. Again, downshifting, just same process as upshifting. Roll off, clutch in. Instead of kicking up, you're just gonna kick down. You can kick down 1 gear, you can kick down 2 gears, you can kick down 3 gears. But you know, if you go from like, let's say you're going from like 6 to 2nd, you're gonna get a big lurch, because and your RPMs are gonna skyrocket, because if you're in 6th gear, you're probably going pretty fast, and you drop down to 2nd, you're gonna be in like a high RPM, and there's gonna be a lot of power there, so that throttle is gonna be super sensitive. So keep that in mind, man. I don't know why I stopped my video right here, but it is what it is. But I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.